Hi, welcome to Chef Gio's Latin Table. Today I'm going to show you how to make my sofrito sauce. Basic, simple, and everyone loved it at Mi Havana. It's so good that my wife usually takes a french fries and dips it in and just eats it all up. So we'll get started. We have here 4 green peppers, 4 yellow peppers. We're going to go with 4 orange peppers. And it's usually 1 big green red pepper, but we're gonna use 2, replacing 1 big one. We'll have 2 bushes of cilantro. We also have here culantro, which is also known in Spanish as recao. 9 teeth of garlic and 1 onion. So let's get started. Oh, I'm going to show you also what is the secret ingredient, which everyone loves and makes it a lot different than everyone else's sofrito sauce. Let's get started. So we're finishing up on these peppers. Make sure when you start, you remove all stickers, and also before you cut them all up and place them in your bowl to get ready to blend it in, or if you have a food processor, would be even better. Make sure it doesn't have any seeds, so you just clean it out. Just happened, this one in particular, it came all out with that central piece, so there's really no seeds. You could rough chop this, it doesn't matter. It does not have to be all uniformly cut because it's all gonna get blended in anyway. So we're gonna grab a handful and a little bit of kind of everything in there. Some garlic, some onion, some cilantro, culantro, and our secret ingredient is chicken base. We'll use just half of a pound of this, and we'll put little by little as we start blending it in, and to get a kind of consistency with everything. Okay, so as you're blending it in, I suggest don't stuff it up. It's gonna be harder in a blender. Food processor, it's a lot easier. It'll break everything down. So once it's kind of broken down, as you see, I'll add some more. I don't really add any water because all the vegetables, the water contents of it, it'll just release it. So you want something to become saucy and not soupy. Okay, we're pretty much done with this sofrito, also known as mirepoix here in America, invented by France. So we'll just pour that in, okay? And we're gonna just make sure everything is nice and mixed in. And we should get a nice kind of green color. So we'll just taste this real quick and see how our sauce came out. Great as it always was. Mi Havana's secret sofrito sauce. Try it. I know you're gonna love it. Remember, the secret ingredient is your chicken base. Until next time, thanks for watching.